Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Flip 7, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, hopefully. And if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. So right over here, you want to push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now the tray only allows you for a single SIM card. Let's see if we can figure, there we go, so we can place it like this. This is actually upside down, so that's how it would be going. And from there, insert it back into your device. Now the card shouldn't be falling out of the tray, it does have a retention bracket. Once you insert it back into your phone, it should automatically start working. That's why it's popping up with the SIM card pin, so I'm going to confirm that. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.